Viewers, welcome to VedicAstroHealers.com. I present myself today with an interesting topic to all of you: planets and their negative psychological attributes. As you all know, we undergo few psychological negative traits that are responsible for the diseases and the negative patterns that happen in our lives. If we see, I want to undergo a series of these negative psychological attributes one by one. I would spell few. The first one is the fear, the second one is the sadness, third one is the anger, fourth one the shyness. We go one by one. The first topic I would like to take up is fear. So, the planet which is responsible for causing fear in us is moon. Since you all know moon is a psychic planet, and 15 days you would be full of blooming, and 15 days you will be coming down. So whomsoever horoscope it is, if moon is with less strength or is placed in the bad houses, they tend to have this concept of fear in a particular area. As you all know, fear runs us, runs our life. Like, we see a lot of people stressing themselves out with the fear on day-to-day basis. Few of them can't sleep in the night with some thought of fear that something is going to happen tomorrow. They don't know what is going to happen, still they fear about something that is going to happen tomorrow, and eventually they see the same thing happening the next day. 80% of people encounter with such problems, and 20 people get out of it because of their personal attributes that they developed in themselves. So, if we see, if you take an example of a snake, snake also gets fear when it sees a man, as like we feel when we see the snake, but it never stays away. It tries to go off. If you are obstructing it, it will bite you and it continues. Same way, the animal like cow, fox, they do have fear, but they don't stop. But what man does, he imbibes the fear in himself, and he starts to live with it, and ultimately, on long run, with a continuous fear, he will convert it into the pain, and which converts into a disease or a negative pattern that is happening to the person with respect to the fear. So, how to deal with this fear? To master the fear, we cannot live without fear. We have to live with it. We have to sense the fear, the sense the tremors of the fear that we feel in the body, in each and every part where it is giving you the impressions. You have to observe it to the core and really see that it releases from the body. Once it gets released from the body, the impressions of it will not stay on your body. So then you are out of the clutches of fear. If you master this concept, whenever you come across the fear on day to day basis and step forward. We should not stay alone, we should step forward. The three possibilities that a person try to deal psychologically with fear is either he runs away by avoiding it, or he faces it, or he live with it by freezing. Usually the first case, avoiding, and the third case of freezing happens. The freezing people get into pain, and the runaway people, they get back this issue again in a multiple fold. Those who master the controlling of fear and put their step forward in dealing with it will definitely flourish in their life. If we consider the moon in the chart, wheresoever the moon is negatively placed, like in the house of sixth, which is a house of death and enemies and diseases, and the house, house of sixth house, which is a house of disease, debt, and enemies. In the house of eighth, sudden things do happen there, and in the 12th house, house of expenditure, moon tries to behave odd, and wherever the moon is placed in the horoscope, if it is weak in such a position, then you may tend to have the fear about that position. Suppose a horoscope is having moon in fourth house, the and it is weakly placed, then a person may develop a fear about driving a vehicle or purchasing a vehicle, or he may have a fear about his mother and his inner peace. So such a way we can, going through the chart, we can find out with the placement of the wound and its strength what is the fear a person is going about. If you observe a river, it continuously flows and it merges with the sea. If you see the grass, it never stops growing. Even you cut the grass, it starts again growing, and the time, it never stops. So there is a continuity in everything. But what a human feels when he is engulfed in fear, he sees and says, this is the end of the world, I cannot get out of this, it is a hell to me. These are the words you hear when a person is engulfed in a fear. So there is nothing such to stop. If you want to get out of a job, the first thought we get is, what is my family think if I come out of the job suddenly, and how will I lead my family without having a job for a month or two? This is the thought which we get the instance we feel dissatisfied with our job and tries to get out of it. The moment you get into that fear, you start compromising, thinking about the others and get engulfed into it, and start to compromise doing your job which you are not relishing and you are totally dissatisfied with it, converting that continuous pain into a disease. This is what happens. So when a fear comes, you need to process it through your body, feel it wherever the pain is coming in your body, release it, and try to take the decision. This is what we need to do. And when this fear is starting to engulf you and is converting into disease, it is better to consult a psychiatrist or an astrologer to better master it, rather than running off, avoiding fear, or rather uh, freezing out and not doing anything just to compromise to the situation. I tell you an example. I have seen my uncle who always used to fear doing job in the city, and throughout his life he spent refusing the transfers to the city and ending up doing the jobs in a town. And his son got a job in Infosys at Bangalore, and from the childhood his son saw his father fearing about going to a city and doing a job, so he unknowingly developed a fear inside that doing a job in city is hard, his finances may not allow him to have a better life. These type of negative fears he has developed, and eventually while traveling in the train, and by the time he gets down on the train he could see his call letter being lost, and along with few certificates, I think so. So he could not able to attend the interview. So if you see, the fear, it doesn't stuck to one person, it tends to propagate into the lineage, as the kids are the great observers of their mentors, that is their parents. So viewers, be very careful while grooming your children. Whatever the impressions they create from the age of 0 to 14 will decide their future, not after being matured, after attaining the age of 16. No, whatever the impressions they create in their mind between the age of 0 to 14 will decide their futures. Whatever the positive and negative thoughts they are imbibing into them will decide their future. So I will be discussing one by one. The fear is now completed. Next will be anger. So the planet that causes that anger will be dealt in the next series. Thank you.